Hello guys, welcome to Sigma Tech. Today we have a HP board for repair. Here is the board. You might have well aware of this board. It has a graphic chip as well. It's probably 4th generation board. This board is from a dealer and the problem is it is not turning on. The model number is DAY11AMB6E0. The problem is on the 19 volts rail. Let me show you on the schematic and demonstrate you what is the problem you are facing. So let's get started. So guys, here is the board and we kept the DC at 19 volts. See what happens when we connect the DC. So there is no light glowing on the DC jack and there is little ampere, that is 0.02. It is taking 0.02 sometimes and sometimes 0, but here there is no light glows on the DC jack. Usually this light glows when it is connected. So as I told you, there is a problem with the 19 volts lane. So let me show you how much voltage we are getting on the 19 volts rail and on the CLR. Okay, so let's do the cold checking first, because in this case cold checking is necessary. So 19 volts rail, here is the first MOSFET. There is no value from the ground, so let me check like this. Yeah, we are getting value. This is P channel MOSFET and this is N channel MOSFET. N channel MOSFET, we are getting the value. Then here we have a diode. This way we are getting the value. Then some caps are here, small caps. Here also there is a diode. Here on a small cap is there, that is beeping. Yes, it is beeping. From ground if you check, yeah, it's completely zero value. Let's check it out. CLR, this is the CLR of this 19 volts. I checked in the schematic, so the CLR is beeping. Okay, that means from 19 volts there is only one cap which is beeping, that is the small cap, and after that there is a problem on the different section, maybe this 3.35 volt section. So let's measure here also. Yes, this coil is giving the beep. RAM coil is okay, the second coil also is okay. That means here there is something wrong. Even the caps are beeping. Okay, so either we can inject the voltage here or we can remove the CLR and we can inject the voltage there. So we will do this one only. Well, let me check on the schematic whether it's a 3.3 volt or 5 volt. It's PL21. As per the schematic, PL21 is 3 volt, 3.3 volt. So 3.3 volt lane is a beeping. Now we will take this coil out and inject up to 3 volts and see what is hitting. And we will take out this MOSFET as well. Then we will check what is happening. So we have removed the coil. Now let's remove the small cap as well, which is this side. Here and here. On the second coil it is not there, no beep, and here Here also both sides are beeping. So first we will check it out where is the problem. Here we will inject any one of the corners and see where is the problem. Let it cool down. Now let's put one place ground and one of the places main line. Now the DC is on off condition. We put any side. And now let's turn on the DC with low volts. Nothing heats up. Let's increase the voltage. 1.5 volts. Now we have kept it at 2.8 and it is taking 2.78 ampere. Now let's see what's heating up. Here. So this is the one which is heating up. I think this one. So either this or this. So let's remove one and check it out whether shot is getting clear or not. So even after removing this, the shot is still there. You can see it is beeping and there is low value. One side nil value, and in the CLR also same thing is happening. So let's find out further. So I think this IC is heating up. The second one, let's remove this as well. So guys, we have removed the second IC as well. Now let's check it out if the shot is cleared. No, the shot is still there. And on the CLR, no, it is still there. So let's do it same thing again. Sometimes it happens. If there is something else is short, the other components will get heated. Okay, that is why this is the traditional method we say, but we have to find out like this only. In some boards we have jumpers so that we can cut the area and make it a smaller area and we can inject voltage over there, but in some boards we have to find out like this. Let me increase the voltage. Now this heats up as well, the third one. So let's remove this as well. Okay, let's remove it. This is the one which is heating. Now let's test it. So it is still the same. We have removed all these three, but problem remains same. Oh guys, the PCH is heating, which is inside the CPU. this is the mistake we do most of the time. Without checking the ampere of coils, we start probing all this. Now let's check it out. You can see here it's 0 and we are still trying. That's the problem. So guys, this board cannot be fixed. I have to end this video here itself. So remember, before doing anything, just you have to measure the coil's impedance before you do anything on the case of shorting, so that you can save your time and energy as well. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Let's meet up in the next video.